Welcome students. We are going to understand poetic devices and figures of speech. That means what is the difference between poetic devices and figures of speech. Sometimes we get confused. What is the difference between figures of speech and poetic devices? So let us understand what are these. Firstly, we will understand how they are defined and then we will understand how they are used. So firstly, understand figures of speech. Figures of speech, figures of speech are a device where literal meaning, where literal meaning where literal meaning is not used, where literal meaning is not applicable, or we can say it goes beyond the literal meaning. They give out a figurative meaning. Figurative meaning. Figurative means somewhat imaginary, somewhat attractive. It may be connected in one or two aspects with the reality, but mostly it is beyond the obvious. Beyond the obvious, or it is beyond the literal meaning. So literary devices are a form of expression which go beyond the literal meaning and they give you a figurative meaning that looks quite attractive. But this figurative meaning is based upon a certain logic or certain connection with the given words which are there. Okay. So this is the figure of speech. And what are the poetic devices? Poetic devices are the tools, are the devices which are used to create meaning, which are used to create meaning, to create rhythm, to create sound. Okay. So basically this is the difference. Here poetic devices are those methods, those tools which are used to create meaning. And figures of speech are those devices which go beyond the literal meaning and they provide us some figurative meaning, some attractive meaning, some catchy meaning. So both have their own value in literature. Now the next thing. Figures of speech are a form of poetic devices. Poetic devices is a very broad term. So all the figures of speech are actually poetic devices. Figures of speech are a form of poetic devices, but all the poetic devices are not the figure of speech, are not the figures of speech. We can say poetic devices include all the figures of speech. But Poetic device is a very broad area. So still there are many poetic devices which are not the figures of speech. That is the basic difference. We take one example to understand it. For example, alliteration. Alliteration is a poetic device. Is a poetic device, but not a figure of speech. Now the question is why alliteration is not a figure of speech but it's a poetic device. For that you have to understand the basic definition of poetic device as well as the figures of speech. You have understood that figures of speech don't give the literal meaning, they go beyond the literal meaning and they provide you the figurative meaning. Okay? But poetic devices are used to create meaning. So here alliteration refers to the repetition of consonant sounds or the letters in the beginning of the word, okay, in a given line. So here you don't get any figurative meaning. You are getting actually what is the reality. Okay, so when you are getting something in reality, that will be related to the style of writing a particular, it is a particular way of writing. Okay, so that's why it is a poetic device and it's not a figure of speech. You can understand that simile and metaphor. It's not a figure of speech, but not a figure of speech. And simile and metaphor are figures of speech. You understand? In simile what happens? In simile you compare two things, but they should not belong to the same class. Okay? For example, her lips are as red as a rose. Okay, so here a person and a rose are compared. Two things of different class, two persons of different class are compared. In the metaphor, this is the implied simile. So here we go beyond the literal meaning. That's why simile and metaphor are figures of speech and alliteration is a poetic device but not a figure of speech. So I hope you have understood what is the difference between poetic devices and figures of speech. Now before we end the class, let us understand some of the examples. Okay. We will understand some of the examples of poetic devices as well as figures of speech. So let us understand. As I told you, poetic devices give us a tool to write, to create meaning through the words. By using the poetic devices, we can create meaning. And while using figures of speech, we will make our writing more attractive, more decorative, because it is somewhat away from the literal meaning. It provides us the figurative meaning. So poetic devices, examples. A poetic device may be as simple as rhythm, rhyme, repetition, like this. So write the example: rhythm, rhyme, repetition, pun, ode, sonnet, blank space, blank verse. Black verse. Blank verse. So these are the examples. Let me tell you some more examples. Consonance, consonance, assonance, alliteration. These are the examples of poetic devices. Now figures of speech. Simile, metaphor, personification, synecdoche, synecdoche, hyperbole, so here these are the examples of metaphor and figures of speech. I hope you have understood the difference between poetic devices and figures of speech. Now before we end the class, let me remind you that if you are a regular student, then you just recommend the channel to your friends and well-wishers. But if you are a new student, then you subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Thank you.